welcome back to another video. This is a very unexpected video, but obviously you can tell this is a mystery unboxing of some things that I ordered from Beauty Bay. It's the first time I've ordered from Beauty Bay, so I don't know. I will go through all the types of delivery that they do, but mine was next day delivery. But like I said, I'll go through all the delivery stuff in a bit. So this has not been opened, so I've been dying all day to get in this box but I haven't been able to because I'm saving it for this video. So just the box in, just that, black like that, and obviously inside it's kind of a purpley whitish colour. So I am going to, this says rip it real good and I think I did. So I know what I've ordered, but I'm just gonna go through this box. So that's what it says, like that. Beauty Bay, it says they're on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, WhatsApp and Pinterest. And it just says there with Beauty Bay again there. And then it comes in this lovely inside of the box with white love hearts on it. So I'm going to, and this brown scrunchy paper. I'm just going to open this, and this is, I think, order number, date ordered, and that's that right there. It's like a sticker, and then stuff comes in this. I'm quickly going to take that out, and that's at the bottom. And that is the box right there. It's really, really nice actually. I like that. So I'm just going to put that back in there and unwrap my goodies. So the first thing I got is a Jeffree Star liquid highlighter. Sorry, my cat's about to cut across. Do you mind? Thank you. A Jeffree Star highlighter, a liquid frost in the colour Frostbite. So I'm just going to open. This is my first ever Jeffree Star product, and it just says www.jeffreestar.com. They're on Instagram and on YouTube. So I need to get this open. I have now unsealed it, so I cannot send that back. I'm going to open this, and it's in, I wanted that whitish silverish colour, so it just go here and it will just go nicely and ping off your face. So that is the first. Polly, excuse me. Sorry about this, guys. So this is the Jeffree Star highlighter liquid frost in that colour. So it will just bing off, like I said, in them areas, and you can put it like in them areas. So that is my first item. That cost me, hold on a second, I'll just let you guys know. That cost £23. And so the next item is these Revolution Pro foundation drops. So basically it's a drop, but it covers, like, it's an all full coverage foundation from what I read. So you just dot it and then dot 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 dot, and then you just blend it in with a beauty blender or the sponge of your liking, of course. And I got that in an F3. I got that in an F3 because you can see I've got fair skin with like a pink undertone, if you can actually see. So that's what I picked on based on that information. All of these product, guys, I will do a review of. I'll be very excited to do them, as this is my first order of Beauty Bay. And then I got the Shrine glitter lid, Shrine Beauty glitter lid in baby pink, the Gypsy Shrine. And you can actually go to their website. It says www.thegypsyshrine.com, and this is it's a glitter eyeshadow from what I can remember. Can't even get this open. So I'm gonna have to break it. So this is what it looks like. Glittery stuff, and it opens like that. That's the applicator, and that's what it looks like inside. So I am looking forward to using that one as well. And then the last thing I actually got was the new Jeffree Star mini breaker, because his new collection is the Jawbreaker. He came out with a bigger palette of this one. So that is the boxing of that, and then it's opened it like this. It's nice and heavy, and those are the colours in them. I'm looking forward to that. It just says distributed by Jeffree Star Inc, Calabasas, made in the USA, www.jeffreestar.com. He's on Instagram and is on his YouTube. If you are all a fan of Jeffree Star, you should go follow him on YouTube. But I am looking forward to do this with this eyeshadow palette. So enough of the products. I am going to go in with the delivery information that I got off the website for you guys. So the next day delivery, and your order, this is what I got. The next day delivery, order before 11 p.m. The delivery is between 7 and 9, and it's by Hermes. This is for the UK. I'm talking about the UK. I'm not very sure about any other country. And it's a free order. If you don't have to pay for you don't have to pay the £3.95 if your orders are above £15, or like I said, £3.95, or it's free for orders over £60, sorry. And then the UK same day, so you're going to have to order before the 2 p.m. and it's by DHL. It's over 7 days a week, but it excludes bank holiday Mondays. But it's £6.95 if you don't order over £100. So if you order over £100, you won't have to pay the £6.95. But if it's not over £100, you have to pay the £6.95 on top. And then the next one is UK tracked. So the UK tracked is delivery within 1 to 3 days. It's delivered by Hermes Monday to Saturday, excluding Sundays and bank holidays, and it's with your SMS and your email updates. It costs £2.95 if you don't spend £15 or above. And then the next one is click and collect. Parcel shop delivery can be delivered within 2 days after dispatched. Hermes, it's by Hermes again. Available 7 days a week. It goes with your email, SMS, and you'll get a message obviously when your parcel is ready from your nominated shop that obviously accepts Hermes. Costs £2.95, but if you spend over £15, then you don't have to pay the £2.95. And it's just basically the returns is just unopened, unused items. Like, I've just broke that, so that is now non-returnable if I wanted to return it. Just basically just go and look on the website. I'll put the website down below, obviously, and I will, if you want any of this stuff, I'll just put the links down below. Obviously, I'm not getting paid for this. I'm doing this off my own back, so I wanted to do this obviously to get some more information out. So yeah guys, I will see you in the next couple of videos, and my usual face and previous video will be down below as well. But yeah guys, thank you for watching.